The first mat, we're getting ready to move it to its growth location. You can see that the mats are 3 feet by 6 feet long, and I do believe this one might have started as a checkerboard, but we'll see what it grows into. It's Intodon and also Climacium. Okay, to do this, whoops, I've got to climb up the ladder because the best place I've found is to put the mosses straight on the roof. They grow on the roof anyhow around here in the mountains of western North Carolina. And now I'm going to precariously try to lift it on the roof and pause for a moment. If you live in an urban area, just imagine greening your concrete jungle with one of these cool living moss walls. Yeah. Oh my God, I don't know. All right, I got it, I think. If y'all could look down how far I am off the ground, you would be scared to death because it's at least a 40-foot drop off. I'll just show them that cool sight over there with all these gymongous rhododendron below. Okay. Can you get up there where the sporophytes are? Because they're really looking cool. And we might even be able to see them give a spore cloud. Would y'all believe that at one time I was really afraid of heights and I had anxiety attacks? But what you do for mosses, and here we go. And I'm just going to line these up. This is where they were originally started. They thrived. I had to take them off to blow the leaves off and to get rid of all the acorns. We had a nasty year here in North Carolina. That means, for all you city folks, that we had an overabundance of acorns. Well, that's it for now. But I thought you'd like to see my living moss walls. Like my YouTube channel and subscribe to it. And have a happy holiday.